Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing Pistol Arena with my friend here. Say hi. So let's get started. Okay, press deploy, Okay, where are you? Got you. Oh, how did I miss? Oh, I missed. I forgot to get this bacon here. No, the bacon hair got me as well. Okay. Oh yes, I got. Oh, I didn't know that was you. I did not know that was you, bro. Yes, I got someone. Oh, I just saw you got killed, Gabby. I saw you got killed by the bacon. You killed him. Bro, where is everyone? I cannot. Oh my gosh. I was about to say I cannot see anyone, but never mind. Oh, God. You know what? I'm not going there anymore. Oh, yes. Oh, I got him. Uh-uh. Yes, I got the bacon hair. Oh no. So here. Yes. I got Woody. Oh, right when I turned around, she shot me. Oh, got you. And there's only 4 seconds left. You're 6th. Oh, I wanna do sector 2. I really like that one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have to deploy. Guys, I'm making Biscoff sandwich. That's why I'm like AFK so much. I know it's like the afternoon, but I'm a bit tired. Okay, where are you? Oh, that guy. I killed him last round. Oh my god, the bacon cake keeps killing me. He's so annoying. Oh my gosh, this black dude and I got no. How did I miss twice? Huh? I got killed by the bacon again. Again. Yes, I killed the bacon hair, finally. Oh, Gabby, I see you. I got killed by the big man. Why is Vamp always killing me? I'm going up here, I don't care. I'm going up the tower. Gabby, let's try find each other. Oh no. Vamp killed me. Oh! Oh, I have 2 kills. Gabby, after let's go against each other. I see Vamp, I'm gonna kill him. And the black dude killed me. Yeah. Oh, the black dude with the top hat killed me. No, that's not Vamp. Gabby, why did you kill me? Yes, I got. Here. No. I almost got a kill streak. Gabby, is that you? Oh yes, I killed. Why are you always killing me, Gabby? Gabby, I'm gonna kill you next. Where are you? Huh? Oh my god. Whoa, that was very close. No, how did I miss? Oh my gosh, this is so rubbish game. Okay, got it. Hey, what is that? Was that you? Oh no, that's not you. Me too. I got killed by Lemon like right after you said, right before you said I got killed by Lemon. Why do you keep killing me, Gabby? Gabby, can we play against each other now? Okay. Me too. Because I don't like any other map, and that map kind of looks good, I guess. Gabby, I was right behind you. I was gonna kill you, but like, I got killed before I could kill you. Yay! I killed Vamp. Yes. Oh, and Vamp killed me after that. And I saw you got killed, Gabby. Gabby, I see. Oh, never mind. That's not you. Yes, killed. And Gabby, why do you keep on killing me? Why was my shooter thing not working? Yes, Gabby got you. What? Oh no, he keeps doing that. gone right. What? I have 6 only. Oh my gosh, he keeps doing that. Yes. I got him headshot. Gabby, I literally see you. Gabby, you've been killing me all this while. Yes, you have. Oh, kill trade. Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh, right when I turned around, they were right there. Bam! Keep on killing me. Here. Oh, I killed him right after he spawned. Oh, I killed just Mike twice. Oh, yes. Oh my god, Gabby. You're so annoying. Why? Me too. Oh, yes, I got him. How? I hit behind the wall. Yay. Oh my god. I killed him right after you died. Oh, this is so annoying. What? They were literally teaming up on me. And Gabby, I just saw you die. I got 15th place. Oh. Bye.